If Adobe Acrobat keeps crashing on you in 2024, don't worry. You're definitely not alone. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix this frustrating problem, so you can get back to working with your PDFs without the constant headaches. By the end, you'll know all the major troubleshooting tactics, from straightforward initial checks to advanced repairs. Let's dive right in and get your Acrobat running smoothly again. First things first, let's cover the basics that often solve crashes quickly. Open Acrobat and go to the Help menu at the top, then click on Check for Updates. Updates aren't just about new features. They often include bug fixes that address exactly these kinds of problems. If there's an update available, let it install fully. A lot of times, these issues crop up because Acrobat is out of date and missing key patches. Next, while we're in the Help menu, look for Repair Installation. Go ahead and select that. What this does is check for any corrupted or missing files within Acrobat, and it automatically repairs them. It's a bit like a mechanic checking the engine for loose bolts or worn-out parts. The process might take a few moments, and you may need to restart your computer afterward for changes to take effect. If Acrobat was crashing due to a damaged file, this can really help. Now, let's enable troubleshooting within Acrobat. Head over to Preferences. You'll find this under Edit, then Preferences, and then go to the General section. Look for the option called Enable Troubleshooting. This launches the Acrobat Diagnostics tool, which performs more in-depth checks. Think of it as a doctor giving Acrobat a thorough examination, not just a quick checkup. If crashes persist, this tool can sometimes identify underlying issues that aren't obvious on the surface. If those initial steps didn't solve it, it's time for some deeper troubleshooting. Go to Preferences again, but this time open the Security Enhanced section. You'll see an option called Enable Protected Mode at Startup. Try unchecking that box. Protected mode is designed to keep your PDFs safe from malware, but sometimes it clashes with other software or settings on your machine. Don't worry, you can turn it back on later if disabling it solves the problem. While you're in Preferences, consider resetting your settings to default. Old or corrupted preference files can silently cause programs to crash. It's a bit like untangling a bunch of earbud wires. Sometimes a fresh start untangles all sorts of hidden problems. You'll need to manually reset, but Acrobat makes it pretty simple. Another detail to check. Under Preferences, Page Display, look for an option called Optimize Page Interactions. If you see it, try deselecting it. Some users report that this setting, especially on older machines or with certain PDFs, can trigger crashes. If it's not visible, make sure Acrobat is up to date, as the option might appear after updating. For Windows users, here's a quick tip. Try running Acrobat as an administrator. Just right-click the Acrobat icon and select Run as Administrator. Sometimes permission issues stop Acrobat from accessing the files or resources it needs, leading to crashes. One last advanced check. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Security software sometimes blocks Acrobat's operations by mistake. Turn it off, launch Acrobat, and see if the crashing stops. If it does, add Acrobat as an exception in your antivirus settings, so you stay protected but also avoid crashes. If you've tried absolutely everything and Acrobat is still crashing, don't worry, there's one more lifeline. Use the official Adobe Acrobat Cleaner tool. This fully removes Acrobat from your system, cleaning up leftover files and settings, then lets you install a fresh copy. It's the digital equivalent of starting with a clean slate, which often fixes stubborn, hidden issues. I hope this helped you get Acrobat back up and running. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit the like button. Drop a comment with your questions, or if you have fixes of your own, and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.